I feel the sudden need to make lemon loaf cake, so let's make it. And you know what they say, when life gives you lemon, you make lemon loaf cake. Oh my god. Oh, it smells so good. Like, you got. Oh my god. It's giving. It's starting to give. Salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Wow, oh my god, that's good. And it's going into the oven. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. So I'm trying to be careful. Okay. We're going to take this syrup. Then I'm going to brush it on. Not me baking. Oh my goodness. I'm not a baking girly, but maybe I should get into it. Oh my god, it's so fluffy. Like, I baked.